How to replace the missing button on your pants using a coin. If the button on your waistband has fallen off, here's a stylish and secure fix using just a coin. Start by preparing a round piece of fabric, a coin about the size of the button, a strong stretchy thread, a needle and threader. First, use the running stitch to sew around the edge of the fabric circle. Make sure your stitches are small and tight so it stays secure. Once stitched, place the coin in the center of the fabric and pull the thread to wrap it snugly around the coin. Wrap and tighten the fabric a couple of times, then stitch a few more times to secure it. Tie a knot and trim off the excess thread. Now push the coin-covered fabric into the buttonhole in your pants. From the inside, use a tight overcast stitch to secure it. Again, make sure your stitches are close together to keep it firmly in place. Once your coin button is sewn in, tie a final knot and trim the excess. It'll look great, stay secure, and is super easy to fasten. Try it out and save yourself a trip to the tailor.